Missy one I would want you to want so the word in and so I do the beba. That's the way you lie. I was on your brego or shane at TT. I won't share your media poor. I had one idea. You don't know why you're for. That's the way I want to be anymore.
Jesus.
Jesus,
Good afternoon. Good afternoon. I'm quite yes, I'm for you. What Jimmy? Obapa Christy. If I try a dinner at it till then I'll know more. Then know how. Yeah, Nintina, I dress a baby every day. See. Made a minimum money quanto. But I never commit me a cash on and say, so the mama Diana wa fraba dwumadi so na woni a chede wona muna nyame enam counselor Oscar Shipi so ya beboa na ne wona mu no de wo famu no nyame ajo afrimu akwanche ne beba yes advice ne beba futuo ne beba na obe free sa situation no emu. And it's baby, I will be a man. Good afternoon, Sama Wakwaba. About Ofie Kwanso so for today, Tuesday, the 18th of May, 2021. If we celebrate Kwakopim Sebebon Minusia and a Jumedi Eba Wakwemo. Nemo, they are the air chassis and air confessions. Said they every Tuesday, be a brewono. The Oya say Assembia Edunya, the attitude, the Pra Wakofa Kodana, near drinkers, be a betoso, and they won't yarns one tiapo. Nina, Namasem Cruyanti. Modiana Frey, not any chess assembly. Memo Dean Chain, baby, I can say free, so the man can't chain. They won't cast some chronic chain. Now, yen share, they bet me I have found. It could be something between you and your wife or you and your husband. Maybe a be an between one and one and now between one so one wow for. Be a only animal to wasem. Who can you find fast? A bit me you be in the pasta and temasem, yes. And they are new. SMP. Obi so on the boss. Kwanya boss we didn't nam so adwuma mu ono eyen sempi obi ni fiera obi so kotara to no fio na maza omu fa nhia asem ne ba ya na chese bibio e pa cho ene en chese asem no na en hwe ba bia e de besie
Missy one I would want it to want so the word in a video and some of the that's when you lie. I was on your brego or shane at TT. I won't share your money. I got one idea. You don't know I have a friend. That's when you won't come on now be anymore.
Ebiane you been so ne Franca. Me pacho yen can for floral disposable handkerchief better than cloth handkerchief. You should be. If you feel the better now, all the pano gentle kakrasa near there. You know what I'm saying? We ain't seen now the paper. Oh boy, now they are here. I saw to the camera. Oh, show us now the paper. I know what watching it. And to say cloth handkerchief and now cotton 1 year. And they show but to be probably and was idea show but to us are not James nay they are dealing now go so the namsa. And when you guy Mansanka floral disposable handkerchief. Nebo nyedi and a crocra come out. It fits into your purse, your bag, or your pocket easily. Open the door power Fred Delta Paper Mill Limited on 0243 033 033. Sebe na immune system no bad thing. I bring you now. You can put dominion about powder amount. But you're sorry anopa. Now I hot water. Now the teaspoon and sebi de gumunuane esimu ya dra no one no. And you may now we repeat the same thing. Joe vim nebeba. A sign boy normalize your blood pressure. Wow, heart or kidney related problems will be here for your stroke, diabetes, for spine, yeah, no pains, women are there. Nina Beko or joint now. We are Jumaki to be an hour with the Nina to be chawatic. Pediatric, more yes, Munko Tony K Pharmacy. So many are for encore Nagiz and a face in Nada pharmacies. Sanso and Aguna Swedro phone call Yamiti as a heba. Aquatia phone call health as well. Kede phone call Harry Pearl Pharmacy. And yes, out there, friend. Angel Dominion Bar Center. 0543 158 195. And our fee 020 429 6449. Dominion Bar Powder. Your number one immune booster. Afeti away. Obasi Masil. What's that? A man you want to be very simple. And they AGI, any Ghana Standards Authority, Akabum. And now, Omode Sa Obasi Masili. I bought food products. I would be no market. Enti water food products be a Obasi Masil no one why HSS food products no. 18 essential vitamins and minerals. Na eye pa e boni pedua yi. Eye de mabusuamu ni na especially any animal may. So anytime you go to the market, make sure say obe top product. I want the Obasima seal. Choose Obasima, stay healthy, stay strong. And Chebia baby phone lines now to Muna. And their confessions. And someone do I'm press somebody bed dying. Yamama Quenya Mamodiaba Nafi Counselor Oscar Shipi Abem Na eho emuaya na say anuye ana ho akwankyira hodo ni nyina no ode asome e wo Ofie Kwanso media so Adom 106.3 FM. Epacho fra membo din baby a okasa free no ese wada enka nkyere de yen koswa na yenin komo so atase Basham say rent to own abepiem e Ghana. Yes, rent to own under the planned city extension project. It is getting better and better and better by the day. We Ningo Pram District Assembly and in the partners with support from the Ministry of Local Government and Rural Development and the UN Habitat. It's about time say we be smart. Yes, looking smart. Because where you live and when you where you trade matter pa. And if you bet me out there now bet me nya asase me share fully serviced commercial land and asset space e bet me be out there by ya member rent fees obe journey and affiliate housing cooperative no also e bet me aboa e wo ye akwaniasa ahodo enyina so na bibia akoyi e de amount asa akwanya no e wo hwa de kopim the 31st of October 2021 ti ya na wahwe so sa wait me a phrase here na ye din komo eno 055 55 30 300 and our fee 0577 911 101 and our fee 055 705 4635 website no newaccra.city. The planned city extension project shaping Ghana's urban future. Yan come for royal drinks in mouth. Or see you go like and pound no so when you bedroom. The more day ye, you more sort to assault. Royal apple, royal cola, royal orange, as well as royal cocktail. We nominate perfect flavors now. We here no. So go on and feel the magic in your life as you enjoy royal drinks in so many flavors. They are available in a shop near you at just 2 cedis 50 pesos. Shenzo say another quality product if Preco Company Limited, an ISO certified company. Open the door and one phrase 0262 351 251 and now 0272 133 373. Patrol, there's good news for a month for a Yusu LG product. Yes, and they Giant Tech Limited. Asan akan hubi on the ananwa danshi share na san baby. You're running free cleaning services. At the amount for what you say. Into LG products now we use Fabra na yen service man for free. Yen cleaning man for free. Say your LG air conditioner and now refrigerator and now washing machine. Me pacho Fabra. I shall say and rather the 17th of May. Nyame Adom on the 29th of May. And as I say, baby, absolutely free. Oben Giant Tech Limited at Shakwine. On the Springtest Road, right behind Oka Deco. Take on DBR phrase 055 078 0779. And I'll bet me afraid toll free 0800 515 515. Terms and conditions apply. Giant Tech Limited, care and delight. Me pacho eje bo eja enya bedru nyame ya adom a ochina ena COVID-19 vaccination e sha ase ne fa tosu mienu no ye de etato etimi ka say me card e sha me ho den ochina me bo modern a say celebe family. The general public, especially persons in the Ayawaso Central Municipality, yes, I'm taking note. The second dose of the vaccination for more vaccination between the 1st and the 9th of March, yes, Shasia ruling out as follows. Starting tomorrow, Wednesday, the 19th of May, Edikosi, the 26th of May, 2021. Now, vaccination will cover the following category of persons: frontline health workers, teachers in public and private facilities, 50 years and above, persons with underlying health conditions, persons 60 and above, frontline security personnel, also NIA frontline members of the executive, legislature, and judiciary, and media for so and one is call any clinic and now say vaccination center to get vaccinated. It's here na yen shen so fair kama na yeni so yen famo yen ho ba ni nyina mu na wo kai say all the protocols ni na so yes wetimi hwe na udi so fair kama abusu yen sha se yen kwa oma no so na yen fa oma for free for today confessions. Numbers to call 0302 216 561. Afe 0302 216 562. These are the numbers Didi Jumano. Eti unsu betimi afre. Na ofra membo din chen. Baby akasa free so men can chen. Just go straight to the point and tell us what the problem is. Na yenhwe ekwan a ebetimi afa so abo eno ho. Uni problem bia mpacho menfre. Say be ya mo problems no ebinya akwanya no etimi afre aba dwumadi no eso ti yen sha semfa afre for first caller e wa ma no so ya mo akwaba et sen
Thank you na so
ya mi adom yeso yen we wa hapa e pa cho yen tie wasem a wo de nam awie yi
gradually lady enye boni friend le ne oba bi na twempena
na wo ne twempena ze mo jai
e pa cho sene ka ko ndi oba ni mu na adwini nti na ma me de tuma ni mu
but uguso no ho
uguso no wo ba wo no on fanaje ma mi die
okay all your cousin meet here ntie den ne bae
because the chene say me pulu ana me yen kan pese ikohu
wo so wo ye den
because tama mi hu no ana me ma je se pese kan ikohu na busuafo na meje list ni ade na me chance ya to ne ho ne ma ana ono kire me say mentu me boase wo wadwuma mu na saata mi nyana me ne twem plan nti adwuma ni mu no wie ye no ana me ma je say wo wie adwuma ne de ne o ma me kwan na me nkobo kokoko nti ono ka kire me so okọ ne papa mo ho akurasi aba nti no ba na je say me maba nti okoye no anwumire so no ofere me ka kire me say ne papa say on patch mu na ndi ya chimu ana oba ne ya isemi ne papa say on patch mu ndi ya be ne te ana mi so oh na sa the traditional you know this here twem enti si a ono so o ka ne sei ono antimi a ma me ansa say bra me ni we dey a na se BBC ano anadanfo adwuma ye wo mu ni say ya ben ho enti ni junior ayo ono na danfo tena nene no dabi afra nyinsen ana wanne ni junior na fechiri akoyi nyinsen na tuegu awo ableko a bevu
na oya de na hu yi
e ba cho mi junior na odi machi wadwuma mu ni ono ka tell me say di ade ne eye no na ase ehye ne so
na junior no so ne kwatwe mpra ni bia na
bi mi junior no yo ba o
okay
mi junior ni yo ba ama say ade ne hye ne so ena amani ka kire mi me ya madin se ne me fa kwan bi so nanka me busana he e bia sabio wa ye bibi sa akura e bia onu hu ni se o wadwuma mi ne bi o yes and we tin kan kire preja lu be de se me ka kire no ka kire mi de onya ehwe na me ya obedo me ana actually on one who say senior and some nigga call now I say or kind of one can't tell me or catch them in my downfall. Say, you see, I know that the other or why I didn't but you want to be in Kanji. Yen, and I'm there. Okay, now, all kinds of yen, then chance yet, all kinds of God, may know bonnet. One maybe I said, why I didn't have any semi show.
Okay, me bacho a brain tea. In the say ne crack saying what's the situation now? They say no person who they own yet.
Also on the major no.
Also on way but also on to once. Oh.
Ana Tisiano, me just say Tisiano on the major. I say ya uje bi wo mi mu na mi so say ABM bisa cancel say e betimi anya na na mi so.
E dey betimi anya no. Me bawo twa me hono me ntia se wo se ya ode ewo mu e den ya obi ja wa you bedi ya but e den na wo se betimi ada wa bonu dia
da bi mi monu dia o se ni se na oyigu ye na no ka so obedo me no no na mi bisa se e chire bi ja o ha betimi abo no so e chire na anka men se
na se wanka so obedome ne ho oso obedome ho e na afi wono wagya wanya ndome nti dere be de bibi foforo be di bi na be saba it is say no wo na ya na wo mu na you have to work on it so that you can forget about her and let it go na fi wanka sa wo ye free na so obenyo obi fufura na bibi etisa why but all the same the better counselor nim na ya hwe said the ebisi akwafa why and that's it. Asemo, your boys near girls. Your fan next caller. Na yinti ono so asemo de nam. Hello. African on tianka en fa for why na bring you. Hello. Yes, good afternoon. Eba cho etisen bema. Adom ninti me hoye pa. Evacho yenti asemo ade na mo awie ye.
Raja ma no. Mene oba is 30 days there for you. You do some time when I'm to buy your church.
Ni suban ben onji di za onso na na onso suban bi ana onso we. Tabi amo ya mo se omo na na o ye bibi na omo no ye bibi.
I tried plenty times and I never about
okay, so tell us then they see
Muno na it made me more me question about for program to my attention nti my attention gabi from the panel and all that yes me call you one
nti then be na ba
and now I think I'm deeply in love with the new one.
Why then?
What does it?
Me hono man ti also why then?
I'm really attracted to the new one. But here is the case, old one also named me Bonidia. I don't know how to tell her that I'm no more interested. I tried telling her once, but the way she reacted, crying and everything, I was.
And there's just only people who
but okay,
so maybe or don't they or but ni suban na wo wani nyi ho.
Nti ama mi could share a new one. I'm really concentrating on the new one. I'm okay with everything.
You are okay with the new one?
But
you say I can't how to get rid of the old one. Oh,
I'm trying to tell her about her reaction, the way he cries and the way she.
Now what try over the years senka obehwe whatever it is that's causing ade a wo mpɛ won ho no nka obetimi ahwe na obema na ya aware na why is obetimi ahu bibia.
I've made her aware say we I mean they want try to correct it for me na am but still but the problem for sometimes you wanna make some share no so and also not knowing she goes out with people.
And also, 8 dating penny for.
After I'm missing one could do me when I'm correlated.
I say we
and I'm caught up in the middle. I don't know what.
Okay. Yeah, we the mink, we the Jama counselor. Why? That's it. You the Cosweti na. Obetienka and send me here. African, you're powerful. Hello.
Hello, good afternoon.
Yes, good afternoon. What's it? Okay, patrioty.
But acquaintance, but me must do but many money air baha, mammy and percent mammy the baha. You know not know why he. I young cousin defeated.
Me patrol, no crewing.
Me patrol, get you to be nanny.
Okay, why, no.
Patron.
Who couldn't papa fee na mote?
I to see any opportunity. You're worrying, and not young one of yes. Later, I may have done tea, but mamma no didn't see anything, and I bear my it's no was Sanka, bear my mammy from Kum, or 19 nothing more. And I bear my also mammy and she home, and she only met anything in her head by the but she buy, you know, so there you race you, bear my cat, mammy said, or no more than bow to me. It's mammy decided on a Ama okotolet craft every day. This is me, and I'm a friend to my Sherman.
Nyamute, what's no Sebi Jana na just on our flash.
I me coca.
Maybe to was you now, young cracker. Adding or you're physically challenged cracker now or problem. Nibia, okay, yes, be a mouse stroke be crying. 9 remus will be and 8 and 9 will be a flash.
Of me coca or catch and say. Me shall not inquire, you say you not me pocket. But they say, na quiet a mammy no air cuba. If you are quiet, they say, no mammy, I come so. Instead of Obekun Krum, you know, mammy, about the coming so. And as you say, the name mammy so intimate my house to a cabin.
Now, Ukru are aware of all this development. And what is he doing about it?
But maybe who say again, mammy and comedy. But it seems I didn't make mamma and so many who say and anything. Mimi who say yes, or feed the bread phone for one old dinner. If he and Yemen, let's send your baby here. Ama, why you get a family after me 2 times? Ama, and then I can pack or send me any shade. But opportunity, I say, only on yet.
Hey, also, as I saw, yes, or no one yet. As some of us in my catcher on the bread phone for and wood. In the time, old Chammy Baskin. Mammy, if you never met your baby, it's a question them and any man, anything say for better, but for Yahweh said the mammy, and it's a question, the catcher no one no and a better limit. Okay, to say your per se, the old better nothing, it's not good cool man, that is a question in number 4. Nice, a 4 question, them money didn't grab away, I say. You will look at a I couldn't see dear on yet. The foot look about no says so like the palm, Maria, and studying. But to say, why not what Petty said to say the Oyara looking at Shady. Wow, what's a media? A hard green power. The only person who beat me in this situation is your husband. And I say, on soon to me, young she. Wow. So for how long na money mama natna?
But 1 year.
Money natna for a year.
That's right.
Okay. The better counsel anyway, I ready because why? Wow. Young fa last one. And some I know shit. African young fa last one, why? Hello, good afternoon. African on tea and kind for.
Hello.
Yes, good afternoon. I need na Patrick France. Sorry. I'm confused. You want to call Patrick into you?
Me Patrick, make a Safia Sam.
Oh, the end there, baby. I can say no problem. Don't worry about it. You two are some not in them, right?
Me Patrick, me never papa message. Then maybe I have my question stop worrying here. Me papa said already, so no medical back. Me
Patrick, oh, how many years?
Me Patrick, you still worry a trip. Me na 35 years.
35.
And what your parents say 3 years now.
Oh, 20 I now. What you mean?
No, 23. 23. And I mean, me and me go back. See, me what I'm not supposed to say because she is mad. It is me man. And I'm doing her petty and call the day. Now, papa, you please. And I'm questioning a human because you're a human of one of the not promise. Me poor me who we already know the time and now me won't lift our. Me father, not any mother is dying. It's your name is stepmother and a woman. It is stepmother needs to see me bad. My father needs me. I'm a bunch of you. I'm all quite too much because no, my mother no for cash and say. On panel me fear, I said, yeah, after my madam next year. I said, no, madam, look at her and say, if she asked them, they are found marriage. It's meaning I'm down and because she are. There may be a many lady. It's enough to what your man is in the share make money. That one I'm in the next one. When you're not about the stepmother's going to be it's not the first one. Or no, now on the income. It's an also second one at the Mima Berman. It's Berman I'm in the next one. It's a Berman who was here. You say, Miss Millie, and select you. It's the man I'm going to Berman for the minute life. And a Berman the boy and Yaman share to maybe the promise. Edressa and a part, Quentin a man, not the Mujman. So you go some young man and I'm not a catcher say. Well, who's a minute Berman? The Berman treats an hour from the next year, and I'm the Berman. It's your I'm to quite young for the snap about the coy, and not to coach snap and a papa. The beginning of the way I point you. It's against your weather fee or the corporate into your best year or the son of walk of walk, member, many more for mamma. That bear man about the end. And no, just. It means that I didn't send it to walk no account for the common
me pacho yen no entientiam na ye kasa obe narrating na brain into why into the main issue na kasa ye den say wo papa person we be ware wana say on no person ware wana say
me father on Thursday obi be ware me obi pa ma kwema on peso and already know so no papa ne be tie na obi pension no be tie na me di na tie me fire me show papa ne na action na me papa ne person on me da
wa papa no
I am ya me papa no it me for bo ni nua kuma mane say kwan ya ni nua no so de me fa so ni nua na so ka cha me say asemo e be ye enugua tem into all kind of to ne no ana me nti sa me nyama nya de e fi me fa be fi o and am so fa me nyama ye de e fi o no it ya say the one was not man in cost na me pa be man ho achama ha see be man I ready for the or ya me fa and I me that man friend papa ka try and say why ready for the store ba no be me fa me father no chance dey find that I said the nya be 1 week out friend that man ka try and say the nya dey out that place e man na worry me our me ochina and me father no so e ka tell me of am so say me of am so nim na ko ti mi ti to sa oni o mo ga chima nso
Jesus ama wo fa fo no so ntimi ye ohwe
me wo fa fo no so ntimi e je me so hwe ana me so si a me so ti be ma no so a me ne be ma na wo mienu
woni be ma na wo mienu
me ne na wo mienu me father so me so be me ma de me wo fa mo so hwe
same.
Enti aba say on no me father no e me be ka so me father no ko ko chia me wo fa it me de o ko ko chia me father no friend be man ka say when the man authority say on come up am no so na say one of friend say me nya dey me ko ko no enti na mpa sam so ko ma me father e de me wo fa mo e ko odan hefie e ko saman o mo
ase no emodu
enti sisi an ba jeri ama me hu ne me nya me
we dey
na na mbo me pe me
ope be ma no pa
me pe be ma because be dit na wo ba ko e ma papa na nti ase
ena be man so epe wa no so na adwen sen ko be wa o
me pa try why you ready
ena so papa yin so na ye eyi
tina bude
wow me pa try to asem no why counselor be na ya hwe yo whoa Zambia abusia yankafo the new Infinix Hot 10T mobile phone for bay amount guy pa phone ya kama say na ekura 6.82 HD plus big video gaming display ache say no say obo games also no ye nema also no ekoyi pa ene wo 5000 mAh battery capacity na the CPU na dem no de masa set ni go yi eti se wo ye running bibia of phones fast obo games also na ade break chese bibia show Maunsanka the new Infinix Hot 10T with 4 gig RAM plus 64 gig ROM only 788 Ghana cedis and now Infinix Hot 10T with 4 gig RAM plus 124 gig ROM 888 cedis only available our phone shops ahodo no enyina emu na Infinix for say enkan cho say mo hwe nim kwan na from the Hot series no niam akese edikwan mu eba no nye easy kra na opedo a any accredited Infinix shop bia ben o my fa na ba bia kwa e be sortewa come on Infinix the future is now real quick na fe ye counselor Oscar CP and Twaso.
Wow!
is the latest Infinix Hot 10T coming this new month. Hurry now and buy the latest Infinix Hot 10T and get cool gifts, crossbody bags, sports bottles, marks, and many more. The Hot 10T is the latest addition to the Infinix Hot series. The Hot 10T has 6.82 HD plus big video gaming display with a massive 5000 mAh battery capacity. It also features a Helio G70 gaming CPU that makes it super fast for all your gaming pleasure. Buy now for a cool price of 788 Ghana cedis for the Infinix Hot 10T, which has 4GB RAM plus 64GB ROM and 888 Ghana cedis with 4GB RAM plus 128GB ROM. Visit any accredited Infinix shop nationwide to purchase.
Infinix, the future is now.
Benjamin! Kweku! Nkwadai na wa he. Akwesi.
Ante magi, ade na wo tiatia mu frefre wo mai anopotututu sei.
Pepe se waboa me. Na me de momo no. Ama ne sika.
Oh, ante magi jaisa. Se say momo aye easy kra. Wo betimi afre wo momo. Eno ane se wo be dial 170. That's all. Mami chire.
Mema wakwaba ba MTN momo.
Hey, na momo yi ayem resei. Ena de bia me keke mo frɛ nkwadai. Chia, afa.
Ma, o frɛ me.
De dada, afei na waba. Eye jai, miama ye.
Oh ma.
Akwai bebre wo ho a odi betwa wo momo. Eno ane se wo be frɛ 170. Na watia wo momo menu no e wa kan. Aigbe nkran. Brofo dagbani anya Hausa. Open so simple. Dial star 170 hash. Na the steps no so. Momo said ya openu bia. Frɛ 170. Ana dial star 170 hash. We are good together. We there for you everywhere you go.
I see you. Quality security door and a new space. Why affordably? What be man paint depot and the door master? Why you 5 to 10% discount? One quality security doors. Adensi phone contracted. When you road marking paint. What be man paint depot? Paint to quality biara. Since why you paint and pay later? It's Jessica Kakra. That's a 3 months. It's Yankee. It's you if you want something real wooden here. What be man paint depot? I will stop and see one time. 054 2745 222. Highway.
No matter the culture that may change the tradition, no matter the rhythm that may change the groove, we still remain the same. Because it's the same great taste that brings the same great memories. Your favorite Club Minerals is now Club Sparletta. Yes, Club Sparletta with the same refreshing flavors: muscatella, orange, soda, and tonic. Go on, enjoy the new Club Sparletta. Club Mineral, now Club Sparletta, is still your favorite soft drink. This advert is FDA approved.
Hello,
Hello, I'm a Yabueni. Yemo Jinkwa, when you're 10,000 Ghana cedis. Ane, 10,000 Ghana cedis a big wobble. Now, so I'm saying, it's all money, Bribika, crabby the home mobile money number you saw, or mobile money pin number count. The what's really at Jusicano. I am simple crash.
Da wo so MTN adwumayefom fro say tuesika anampo send the credit bia ansa na wabedi achedie bia wadie ansa na obedi achedie bi no na wato ho akrade kai say won fa mobile money pin ema obia de bia da eye wasumasem se opemu no kra frɛ 100 ana bora MTN service center bia na wo mwa woni nkyiremu wobetumi so abamane ewo mmfraud.gh@mtn.com ana text call 1515.
MTN, everywhere you go. Adom FM 106.3, Ghana's most authentic radio station.
Welcome back to 106.3 FM, Ghana's #1 radio station. I say good afternoon, Jerry. Please, my daughter Samuela, give Kuma Dutch international school. Saman Kese And then Liberty Home Assemblies of God celebrating a birthday. Now one day, I think 3 days ago. So yeah. Nah, me wish you happy birthday, though belated. And I feel Miss Ella. Message near to us no say per se. Who said the entire family, you know, they are with you. So may you grow in wisdom and in stature. Na nyame onshira I wo ya kwanya sanyina so. From your dad, your mom, Papa Gim and P. Omuna say nyame onka ho. So see how the Kwemu Atne enti SA Timi any Councillor Oscar Supi Asia na someone man for the other day. Or boy ho. Councillor, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Jerry.
Yo GDA we radum say ohun ye wie. Amen. Adom nti yenso ye ho ye pa na yeah, but I did see an aminanti and you. It is a but night week, but see, I want the other. I want the other. And that's it. Now, with a young fatty chat, your chest, she's now 35 at age 23 now, or call first born. Ewa brana on worry. Na ne maame ne papa janti ne papa na no ne te ne stepmother another stepmother so san ba mu na che say maltreatment kakra ne ade a etine say on ne papa no e betra later na wahia bema no peso why no ohia bema no ne ba fia papa no be mempene sa na ade na age egu na obe realize say I say ne papa ni nyaye on ne beda e ma no ti ode koto mpanifo kura ni mwe ne wofa mo ne ade no say asem we de ba bonten e be ha dwenti no e be ya say e be koka ne be ya ibi de ene tu frifi ho wanya hu say ide eti ofi papa ne nchen e no ne na namu a afi wa shia branch pese o why no and this time round no papa ne prince we say okay say o shia be ma be why no fa ne mra o de be ma ne ko ya afi later papa ne say ompene aware no so it is say na I say by force and on one or bema na kotna or ogusu ti bema nchen ama on na wotu but the man is willing say ko be kwa ko ene ho ade but ne papa ne prince o ye say ko be yisu ne relatives no but papa no so aka che na busuafo say so mu nim na mo ko je oba ne tinsa ko ne ba ne tinsa ko eko ma ware a oni on bedi nti ama busuan so helpless o mo so ntimi yen ho hwe ene say ordinary mo now oni bema na wotu ono so say odo be man pa but because of what the father is doing you know ama wontimi en ware proper the problem in
also can say with the three no we no worry
yeah
and in the papa so nya oni no ami jai and no worry
yeah
no ni to die no nya
stepmothers no crime you yeah
and now and so ne mama ya nware no to marry ni papa you said why they say you papa say more and it's all what is fighting your father the same thing that fight the father there's a trend. When you're smart enough to see the trend being back in the trail, man worry, if Papa worry mommy, that another stepmother be another stepmother be people also worry me. So what is fighting the father? Or what forces the father in his marriage and in marriages? The same thing that is trying to fight her through the father. This is more spiritual than physical.
Yeah.
When you're smart not to see, also see if you believe about the soul in that. The spirit that is operating, okay, the spirit that is operating in the father, the same spirit that is operating behind the father's side there. Instead of also attacking identity spiritually, you know, or you see physical story, then you do it will never work. Because me papa has not been able to stay in one marriage. So far, that's the reality on the ground.
Yeah.
So the thing that's what the father, in terms of marriage, you know, is the same thing that is trying to fight through the father. And that is what do you know, that spirit wanted to sleep with her, but see, demons, you know, not spirit, they need bodies to operate with. It's like what yourself would be an operation of person in the land. Because also, no dealing with the thing spiritually, but she's using physical route. It will not work. It's not unfortunate. So it's only been my comfort. Oh, or the young one, and I'm not trying to say, and on a call one young one. So the mistake of this papa, the same thing she's repeating. But there's a spirit behind it. My advice to her is, pure software, and I miss one, so that thing can be dead. I am impressed with my example of spirituality. It means my example. But there's a spirit behind, and that is why all these things are happening. And then the papa plays on him bed down. But the spirit behind, and I said that is operating through the father. No, it's a non and operating in the dam. So that at the end of the day, it will be frustrated through marriage. Because the father has been frustrated through marriages. The more you see physical means, but you see physical means, then you never will. Because say so far too, on one
yeah,
on course of, and you miss one it, so that they can deal with that thing. So the America says, and one knows there's a spiritual component in it. It's not only physical. And there are people, more ancestors near there, entered into covenant with faith and demons. And Obimu show up by the actions and inactions of they have invited demons into their life. It is a spirit, and almost sorry, marine spirit, and a spiritual marriage is almost sorry. Unless we are sorry, we just answer you. But to the boy, you can never way you see to deal with that spirit in the family. Physical means then is the mother.
All right. Next up, no, on also say, one ne mother-in-law, enete. Omo eware no na one ne kunu no na ete omo dan a omo esi we na ne naseba no naseba no efimu tina che se ezese naseba no betena omo nche na naseba no betena omo nche no ose ne bre so mfaso na odi no ama oba na ya we eti che se ifi ono nyehwe ono oyiri
guy ma me ban no sorry no buy
ultimately say there was no proud discussion say see nebeba na say see nebeba no e bia obai obasi
no guy ma me be ka say say obere hu faso no
no ne bre hu faso na say waba obedi guy no ma me ne ka sa che no ese waka kire oba no kra say school fees a wotu a ne bra wa bre ne ade nyina no e bre na so say ote ye so faso iti chesi fi ono nyahwe o say sebe kra wagya na nan kra no o expect say ne yire no na o say oba no be flash ema maame no bibia agye no na oyema no en ono kra de o senka wafa ne say ebia wo de e ono ane maame no oyema no but the woman doesn't even recognize him and wa appreciate the oye no a che say nani so hwe a obe you know I say tokwasem saa ne atete ena ode etete no ewufi o saa but okokan kesen so enye yi new kunu so I say new kunu so nim the husband is very much aware of what is happening but I say onu so ntimi nkan hwe say oyi ni maame na fifi a na say oye ne den o they say asem no so ha no a wo nkwan of afa so
what I say na that any maame big we had a discussion there was any maame back in the end day oh you come on mess for person but mo worry na in that you are it is anybody but the china ho so back for the I know there's no discussion in the government but anybody but the ho there's a need say mo bet transfer discuss This is what I want to do. Are you comfortable with it? The Nipani bar, there's no problem. But the Nipani bar, at the first look at we say, a Brenna my brain, the one pass number 51. You know, it means that from the onset to me, or not at the mindset, in the enjoyment of our enjoyment, including woman arguing, it includes, say, a private house, yes.
Also, Okurezi Shinukama at a point, Crano. My many catch and say, on the on you, one function it knows on the on you.
Or say, a Brenna Brenno, no person of Baby enjoying. It's a Baby enjoying, it means that your baby no say a man. And that is why I was asking you, you know, me back, that my baby make you honor. Only I discussed it now. I need the Obaku, Obabet, no, which is also better for 1 year.
Was it now?
Unfortunately, no. Then, man, as I did with the mom. I don't know how the mother brought him up. I don't know the relationship between Ono and mommy. Then, my mother sacrificed so much for them. I understand. You see, my mother sacrificed so much for them. But also, we are say that should not be the issue of worry. It's looking like the man is untested in mommy dominating the environment. Anyway, in the crowd. You don't put no money for the sake of the marriage. No more men say yes, what bread we understand. Say what to man, we understand. But you don't come and dominate the environment. You can dominate your son, but you don't dominate the marriage. If your marriage will be back home, so that there will be peace at home. If the expenses is piano, you will consult you, we know what catches or no any babonino. It means our papa.
Well, seen Bopa.
Yes, Waba, no Waba. It was a man now because they will take Waba. No one in Bible yet. The woman up at the also was your world. No one in Bible yet. No man from Minkasa. But at the end of the day, to be peace at home. You know what? Yes, you don't mommy. Papa, I understand. You are supposed to dominate your marriage. If you want them to dominate you, it's different. But the marriage, no. And sometimes I will follow the my prayer. On the very better say, you want to better the dear work now with the top.
Yeah.
You so better now. And over now, so you say, yes, me wanna bro. But if you comes, you know how to handle it. But for the moment, don't dominate everybody. Like what she's doing. Don't so no money problem here. Don't put on anything.
All right. You may move on to the next one. Now, Abrantian say, One Abaywa bi enante nanka nani gino but ebewi ase na Abaywa no behavior ni suba bi
into men me boa
later no realizing say fofo na wanya no so no into you know ono so any sugar daddy fuina ehwibum miwa ono so se na akoma akodi mu awia ope no
the guy is not speaking
and say old one so ontimi nya the courage to tell her say omo ende
yes only stable one relationship na issues no more or trouble no more resolving yeah when you dissolve the relationship then you move on also one person only man in the crowd when you're stable when you're peaceful when you be over then can't say you be over you know so why in the panel that I'm saying maybe along the line you will get the panel you don't pay. But you have to dissolve that relationship before you go into another one. You don't say that because this was a problem, no. You go another one. Then they give you one question. Then because of that, the person will catch the first one and say, you don't do that. Yes, I could say, I don't know receiving. But there's a few people who know for which reason opposite Java. Also, she's into men. Was also receiving a good no. And what starts you do is to dissolve that relationship, and then you can move into another one. You don't hang in the deep opinions and say it's a way harming. You do not for me do not for shame. Oh, you know. Owaria, one shame your baby mind. Because Owaria would have a problem with more. You go and look for somebody that will give you comfort. And that's what a lot of people do. When they are having problems in marriage, instead of them to resolve it before they move on, while they're in that marriage, they want emotional comfort from other people. And once they get those emotional comfort, they are not ready to resolve the problems in the marriage. And that's what he's doing. When you now, in the character Moani, you might go before, now, many of before, and then on the penalty. And based on that, if I compare the two of them, the person will call. I don't know when take it out the person and only go with the other one. No punishment. I can tell what I do now. Gentlemen, be faithful to yourself and be truthful to yourself. Because what you are doing is dangerous. Other than that, don't worry. If you're having challenges in the marriage, you'll be looking for other things. Because all of it will bring comfort. And such a person, someone, or no matter examining him, no one work on his character, you cannot see one marriage. Because in marriage, you are going to have issues. And sometimes you don't say that because there are challenges in marriage, I'm going to look for another person and then have emotional comfort. And that is what a lot of people are doing. Be truthful to yourself and work on your character. Where are you going in?
The last one, so yeah, I branch here on also need lady no dating now. Or yes, and call Bewarino. Or call list, and I'll ban say, Ugusus, we and just or we answer. Or Chayama, we, a Dumana, Usiano, or Sadi issue back again. Or Barney and when then like a crab, later now, yes, pushing and concord list no. Or Barney be catch and say, Nipper pass it on Princeman and why no, because or no, a branch any a chimney, and or no, or Barno a year, I'm going to need no. Nipper pass it on penny, and no the excuse. It you go so drinking while later na apprentice back could be on only junior. Ebe you feel an man say, or Barno or that damn is on person or no better because what fire funupo in the process, I'm a quack abortion. It's your confront to lady no, the booth we initially, Emo and Adrian or bed domino, say all cancer assembly the atoms, but later on one be confirm me say, I am passe, where did you maybe a tisane idea. Now they say, guy, no worry, and say, or door ban pan. Archer say, because of Adiwes, at the Yao Kesibia Banimua, won't me is I no infin when. He's wondering, so say, Sassam no ban can't see be your bed domino, and ye be a gives a bit me Abama, no me be a banner. Made them a chance who when young yen there be anti me, but no, be Yama. Intimate, the little quarter other one. Then, oh, sorry, non pesca, of Vancodan and Bot. So the other house. And I am pesca. No matter do it. No cause of just of the probability. Look at my motivation. Deliver me from that of the money away. Okay.
Because from the onset, you are no near nothing to the wild.
Sure.
You are doing nothing. It was all using it. Using it. Or seeing me papa stay on play action.
Yeah.
You papa the cash that guy and I say,
again, the Becca chance as someone
and I'm happy that you use the word yes so my because say a past day or person worry guy and the papa na on me and go catch the guy. But already why not do that? For me papa city you am very action for no the money also on him a coffee I call here or yeah boss. Now going forward the guy is the one who listens to the emotionally he believes it also counts so that he taken through emotional healing food. Look, there's a process he has to go through so that emotionally he will be healed. One yes, next relationship, no, the hammer. Once you are emotionally wounded and you move into another relationship, usually that person will suffer on your head. So he has to go through healing emotionally by seeing a counselor, one before he moves into the next relationship. after what happens to the girl, the only no money. Only girl has the money. You know, me started by saying, "Don't pick that. Don't forget to go back to sorry." We are on bad men for one purpose. Me, Jerry. To me, the most important is the program we buy. Money number one topic. Because right from the onset, we are only not this one. No, people only open them one. They do become on person in the world. Then they will use excuses via and yet tangible. And let me capacity, let me manage, and I you say, and I can wait, but they say anybody. Other than that, only me and go back at them. But if I want to use this in Benin and Patching for me, anybody. My brother, I know, say, you only know that you're enjoying it. Maybe she's very good to you in bed. But she's not the only person on this earth. Emotionally, a wounded. You're scared to be near there. But it's better for you to break a relationship than to break a marriage. It's better to be breaking a relationship than marriage. I know you get emotional pain, but home counselor, they want to show that emotionally you be healed before you move into the next stage. Other than that, they have no. But for abortion again, I only money. Only money conscience. Conscience. Uno be nam. Not for whatever reason. I hear times you because you are really trust like a but don't use excuses. To on your level. And I make papa say to me, I'm meeting at the something I intro.
Yo, and then now counselor Hannah the base in Tibeja, the Akanamana. A foot to be and then so the Bija Quino, Wadaruma, what they ask me.
Yes, what the weekend, not the last week, I sent 9 year program.
Yeah,
Friday, Saturday, Sunday. A woman buy, you know, Domosipa. Some of them through the announcement, no buy. And after sorry, from I saw them from the bottom of my heart. It's in a mission. Some came from a shaman, some sprinted, some of them in war, some that she. She became cut out a menu. Okay. I'm interested in people who are also concerned about my work and what I'm doing. They left everything that they were doing, and some of them came to their place on Sunday. Some came Saturday and came on Sunday. Some also came on Sunday. From the bottom of my heart. It's Nakubo Ishlamopa. The God I serve, the maker of the heavens and the earth, the one whose name is Yahweh, the I am that I am. God who has ever failed me before in life. Oh, use me for what I'm doing. That is strong. When I saw them, I was overjoyed. Many years that these are people who have come because I invited them. I want to thank them very much for what they did for me Saturday and Sunday. I'm sure.
Amen.
I'm sure.
Amen. Amen. Counselor, that was it. That was it. All right. I was your counselor, Oscar Sweepy, and Yatin in Kano say, and one quancheni and we are doing now, or they Abesumie. Usuti Adom 106.3 FM. Ghana's #1 radio station. Anyway, I am a depa. If I know Theresa or say to you who are name a chef, and you're no anka, my boy be a reader. And ye who are name a chef. Coming in now, Monchimon can be money at the idea. And come at Tom and be crowded. Yehovah, name a chef. Your first Dama DBS Industries Limited. Oma are losing trusses. Now, would you go or dinosaur and sana or the chance in Aboso? Yes, eti a unyasa or cotonia at their Koguda. They say, we are banning your papa. Ghana, dear, yet it has a would say, we secret in America to her. Abrofu bi wo krumu a omo ahya se kokoko tete ensore no Oh, to say a Presby, Methodist nay, Anglican money, a friends, but we Roman, sorry, no. Omokwa want to pa in Riana near DIS, sorry, the Mokuna, a boom tentino. Brofun ba no more be mom. Na ma for the year baby chest fine yeah here go we say sorry very. No more ba beji enua de ndiko. Hwe Saturday nua na eda 100 years na se bi no bi mu. Edua bia be kobu nu kwayem bia be papa de kogu dance re enche. Eti se nua papa ni na brofun asa. O de fo ni fo mu are de. Eyezo eti bema emfa nkoto nua no so he to a losing trusses ni bi na emfa ngu dan no so ma boko simple and everlasting 400 years warranty e wo so na kwanso mu na ba betra dem na enye hwe wia no assign the DBS coloring plus no the apostle and one way adwuma ni na wie we check on the Sprinters road ufie so enche bia na wadu papa restaurant friend I try free estimate why 0240-844-444 Kumasi phone phrase 050-600-4141 Nata credit phone so phrase 050-600-4242 Afe Don Master and put my paint depot Boru mu na apona hodo a wuhia de asisi wada ni nyina no ye fama enjoy a 5 to 10% discount on quality security doors with Turkish, German, and Italian technology. Over 100 designs and colors to choose from. The endorsement ranging from exterior steel security doors to internal steel security doors, bulletproof doors, armored doors, bathroom doors, glass doors, wooden metal doors, wooden panel doors. Mina be available. The bonus of the phone Obo Ryan painter from one's yeah, Euro standard paint, no, ranging from acrylic to emotion, enamel, road marking paint, marine coatings, waterproofing, dampproofing, wallpaper, wall primers, putty, any paint accessories. I would want and they are partner with News Paint. I made a suggestion come by a friend of paint now, pay later. The Santee and sorry, I would schools, hospitals, churches. And one is sorry. I feel offices are government institutions, real estate developers. And no more macanina. Yes, mo magic painter, muhia, mo bit media painting mo dine. Oh, now yes, spread this camera on a moon tree and crack Brian for interest be a Anton Emamo. Simple and short. Obewe ya sha kwan ewo eye Accra Kumasi highway so ye wo Pobiman to booth wa if I say ugina Pobiman to booth wa wani tua shop no mu a enye sa de phrase 0542 745 222 and afi 050 021 2447. Finally am fast dey o ma MTN o say kan cho say free after one asan baby. And they say what the sorry out unipa kwa person friend na ne bon komo no fa vim shim na fru unipa kro no and then kasa sa the kasa ne ka de oni wonyina de you only pay for the first minute of the call, the rest is absolutely free. In addition, we enjoy 50 MB of data at their browser for free. When you just dial star 550 hash. Now we're subscribing to MTN free after one. Then you stay connected because we're good together. Terms and conditions apply. MTN, everywhere you go. I don't want to say more a soya snare than then my tutu home for an idea. I get sports air trust with the amount. In the meantime, a happy birthday going out to John in Ketia of NHIS to my office, from William Francis Apia of New York City in the United States of America. Wishing you a happy birthday. I was your man and Penny Phone Casa Nafi Yanko Yenenim.
Well, please, I get a sports. A perfect program, perfect engaging, and perfect unexpected. I'll get a spouse. A papa. So listen to I get a stop. You grow old and you die old.
Thank you. say me nchia ofa kakra akrobeto nyame asum dwinka say nanu ada na obo ma homa mu o say me ofa say o te sen ena so ofa me ho ye na ofa bibia boko de o say o ka say ase bi na ba na me fro da bi me ntwen ma asem to ansa na ma fro eti na me hwe so ho ya wa enti ho ye dia eno ano no me ko why bye bye no see you ofa oya de papa no nko ade metene so ara ma so nyamisha ofa yema sof kumchacha so emorem.
My name is Prophet Kumchacha. I'm listing Alligators Sport on Adom FM 106.3 FM. So you listen, Prophet Kumchacha, I'm listening and I'm here. God bless you.
Amen. Sisi.
Other for me didn't Sisi Chum. Now they be amity irrigated sports. There's no day minty irrigated because mity manage na me stress.
Nice one.
The open program one Denny Sham fast sports one T irrigated sports or Adom 106.3 FM. The famous John.
Good. Kwame akwaba.
Kwakumejo so.
Na on to say.
Jana Adom e jempo anu isu de na kwaku anwem wan ye we. Obani wudu shu ne wo me fefa ko wachi. Oh. Udi awo me first one man kasa.
Bo pani kundi na wa hwe obeka semia so shu e hye me no anon wasa edu ba bia te no.
Kaswa van dam na asem na me.
Unofficial mail for kaswa asem na okay oh.
What did they want me say?
Ene na ejabri akwaba o.
Isu no so.
Yes aboa no di zoom na
we mpabwana no wa akunyana na
sawo we na ben on
ring my bell pa o dey skinny ni bi no
na bibia to say me pija na me hwe ye hye wi akoyi kan wase
ring my bell
oh na mpabo aka maka we kura say me obi o ba ku bi a
ring my bell
na say bell ni de me de oh apa we ni bi so one pabo we so bell ni bi na wo so me na say
and me so come say bell obi a say
bell on the end of fine here right
na say dem pabo
oh David
be me na
emo ya de pa yo bi say nyina ro ya pabo asela studio ha eku
say obi
madam fu mi no yi
and dem mu so ko ro pabo na we sent us ade
ye wo school no dormitory da no serious ne pamon no bi otimi ko da bonten
aden
wakoro pabo kwa ne na hu na ode aba ko ya bote
ene na apropos aye no
oh yare wona
na hu bon papa
aye
no kwaku ene na me mpesa mesra ansa sa media awe ho sem mienu na me mpesa me di sedwuma di ase
ya no na sem be ne ba yi
atiefo emfa ncha me di edi kan aye abayo keto yi a chano wankasa agene kra afri ni nsem
gene
asam na sa ani ya dane o
gene de
new fact bi abem wo
ma me nkasa audio view ha se ya
gene de some way me am dwen am tiase
autopsy report a wo anya kire se the mamene kana make was say senka onu ana share no konfo anko beni
enye obi an so konfo a wonne
mamene se wa ne na tebu bia so nsi wa chesi wo gina so doctor ka shiro mo se enya confusion ne ku no
anya a confusion ne ku akwada
sana mamene oka
is that a confirmed doctor's report
akwada ni ACHS
or JHS
JHS
me bawo the okano is it a confirmed report from the doctors
there was some many voice
akwara no mame asem na making we reported speech
akwaba
yado
so onwo ye
ya
me hoye pa ofie na ebe
yo ye de nyame
ade so matade mu ntina
ko fie kwa san
ya
ade ba na so watade
minima de komse me ko fa transformer na unze your transformer keto bi si o dem say da bre me unze ya pack car so
o cha ho afa ba bi na grease ni bi ye watade
enye finketwa
ade hwe ayi ka chief nkeke no na menim se sa na no betimi aye Wednesday am ahwe white pa na obi ayi kase du wadi gina ho fem ayi Lexus car na achi ni ba bi okofai na me ha keke twiye no o masa ye
ko se ko man futuro nko a me me kai se wado hu betwi de wawu se ma ja huru kwa ko me huru a ni free ayi dobro ho ni si main road mu na sai say kwa no mo ye kwan no mo ye gates me so na bo say we dey me say no the simple another pre
o na mo ye gates dey say na
no ko yi kama no ma
I fix it by you so ka fix yourself wa yenya se ketu akra
enya fix yourself no kra den kenye problem na jimie na
na doblo na
ode ka ho
only ya krapem no for krapem south krapem south
doblo no mo tu
omo be 3 kra
there be way wo nsumia ho no
say one time the ball no go
address na wa ba ma no
ye wo me say
nyano kra tuntum
baby amamu ye de ball go dia o say ye kwan no yes be ya ball ka na kwa emre
enkotim
na ebi o kwara ball ni yi gu sansa kwan ni ntide ball ni yi
ho de body ze o
say yi gu so omo nye we
o say kwan ya
unza ball ni vi so on mo a say eda fom na o ka koba na fa so pe na atare koba no o ta se be
ko na me simba me busa say enti ball ni bi wa ko yi ball na wi o ka ne nko na wodi akire wo tia ohwena wuntimi ni na chi ko yi ball na ko awieru no ala na Ghana ball abonsa sana bro che ball
anya Ghana ball anko
ball da bi tie
ye water closet ye use ye bi wa be kono na ya flash ya isu a edanim no we ka say aginjin so ba they say any fite so enkan ho no enyan kan even mu kura niam o woni say obi ho no mo ahwe opani
bola for na mo nya na mo san kofa toilet
we no so api
bola ni mo ani
but eso ne de o say so say maybe me ya na me say ana bibi apai me ka ja zo ahwe ni ho na me pie boko say ye de anha me pie na age me ho opani
da ya kan news no me ka cho say ne me busu aba
ai
wo so de say sa de say po pesa de ne de we be kan headlines we no akobusu e so e ka say you
yeah me ko minim se ni pakro di ebo no mini yo na da so de o tim se we mia be 5 times
ano bi bia chere botom da o
mia ya nko na
omo za na ya omo bu brush na esi nchen na ya de ye se odi abufuo ni ahoden esi nchen be
won say maya san ko resi
o say brush nko fo bubu no o ye na de na kam na o ye na nko a no di di echi
na fa ne champion remain yo chi kwa so di nso be bia guso
kwa bi obani me pese me kan ba bi kuro ba me ba kuro yi mu no me tena ba bi ne fia na me tim na pani bi tim o hwa onya Ghana de she
mahuo
ne bola no esi on so wonya me fa na esi wa jeze minima de kura no odi no ne dem o enye easy o kwame bola na esi wo keke na obi an
fa na sa me kan
awurade nyankopon am say eti die nko a die na wo ye no ofie o kitchen a wo de ade begu bola mu a
but I had the ya na shit na yambo investigation me am ya
bola so ye de shit to go
mu we
no ne apartment no toilet bedroom enye shit
I know the na make but you people said that deliberately and it's still rubber no the beauty toilet ni wo
some one there sa no be
there be any problem sir but what area na what no public toilet
but new site na obi a won na you inside
na say bola na free new site nko a na bola no so kwa ma kwan ma bobo ya afa bi abobo ya no onye investigation bia no so atwa sika ma no
waso asa no de nam kwan so koche
na akasifo de omo investigate
they supposed to investigate ye so kwa
bola no be fa kono so investigate
so hwe toilet ni mansa
ansa omo afa
kwaku nim se first
papa security
ye wo class kwaku tama mo wati fi kra no
da bi it's not
so mo de kosa
nine citizens nan kasa no ye na se se ye sa adwuma no
kwaku citizen de o ma no kwan
aduane tie food staffs ade no ye de go be separate can now de go be separate ansana paper ne ne ma so de go be separate sana ye bola aye fani na afra
kwa biti free of bola man out the bola no kwa o make sure say toilet ni bola nim ansana what wa na se na se jeje bibia afa
bola ma o purpose no no
o make sure de ku ni e say bibia ni ansana o ma kwan o de because o hu se grofo
jo o hwegu ansa
obu se boa black ne be se 3 wo mu 3 ni nyina o de ade wo mpa a problem me be se me kan
o enjaje una
ne o poku ai na yo
o asembe kwani eti mu fa issue en tro me anko ye
ni houses ni that time near 8 houses
okay
St Peter's, St Paul's, St James, St Matthew, St Mark, St John, St Luke and St Andrew. 8 houses. Na yawo ayi bi wo no ono ayete ono na prepare bibia echi.
Okay.
Me hu se de edi am mfa mfre no.
no, school. On a preparatory.
Na or prior treaty be or tembi on Nambi Kutano. Na prior Kutanos was Shanama. A 200 years or who starts to be a fitting goose. So you say more dear, more you know. I do not best renoir. I don't know. Friend on Abua. Obioko was being Monabua. Oh, say baby school, Debbie, yet that's why not on Abu without.
My dear.
Oh, hard.
Opani na me ka akoda ekito ya semi na mini ensu nche mo dia bai say I heard you say there so that note suicide note tie say there is so much sorrow and pain in my heart. You make a kind of baby say
at her level damn
kwaku jaika ente hono mpesa me deba ebe
I
say awofo eto da bia yantwe ye mayi ye study won yenti o masam se ma mi obu enka ni biaso fo ma no ne ba start kasa na afa ne ba ko biaso eduaso fo ma ma o ko dwem no o ko dwaso ne sa nyama no ne ba kasa kire no afa ne ba no yi sika to ma no na okọ onti asema koda na ka no
oni adaje
afei Ghana education services so our role to play me me abotie me nko hoda ba me hwe series ni ade a omo guidance and counseling ni ade
no SHS no well okay JHS
movies now
what you say
movies
nkwada nti ko kan wasem ibi
okotwadru
ibi University of Ghana
robbery ni ade
ya ko university ya penifolo sa guidance and counseling da ga bia ko ni atum obi okole gombe ni meka office se da wo ho so da bia ya loko da bia be ko ni atum nti akwala ni nya bi nkan wasem
na koko kan en se o ma me ahwe wa fu nkwala brim na wa hu nyansa
menyom 3 minutes na ebe 2
o da koko to da bia na akwala kru nyobi kasa kire na o de se not way
JHS akwara de
JHS na de wo je wa akwala sama wo picture ni
oh body but 16 years
Asa. Now the year aware age by 16 years. What are you talking about?
I worry no way.
Obi obetimi aware so so. Obi obetimi aware no. Oso
No, 16 no. Obetimi na da batun timi aware no. You say 18 na aware no.
Now da wouldn't down aware no na.
When you timi ne da.
Kwaku onso sa. Ayama ye underrate e ma no.
Anti akura we obi a start e front na one breaking heart na say ne ho kire no abrabo mu na say say.
Kwaku don't underrate the children we have in our house.
16 years no apa.
Don't underrate them.
Kwaku kuro yem ne oni.
You for you need to for me e wan kwada no.
Problem le akra hu girls we are.
Famanto yi.
Problem le ya yenche hayi. Ba ya kokko yin Adam futuntumi se na furu bo so pen.
Dabi na sak kwakwa wa so for me di 12. Rewe sa 12 years no. I'm telling you. Odi opa na opa amenko. Upa mi enko yenko he ni so.
Abeno hayi.
Kwame emfasha wo mfa nsa me wo mani na. Ebe me echi na mani abo me.
Ene ma nkwada ni famu no.
Akola tutu a obo ndu nse wo.
Kwaku Ghana aya na ye fie mu nko a. E bia na nyame adom. Ye so nwa kwada abone a, uzu nyama kwada atete. What you say? Nti aya ye ntie nkwada na asem kakra. Na fe nso anya de kire nko a, baba ne be ma nkwada na di. To da bia ye ni omu ye mpe ayi committee ni nche nkwada ne abrabo ewiase.
Akwalabone ni yeshada wo. Akwalabone ya adomache de.
Enya adomache ban kwala bi just nkwalabone. Communim so for ba na ye ni the school oya boys mi wu ye. Praise be so for ba wu. Ona no kasa kura won tibi.
Anzeli
ente. Na no kasa kura won tibi o.
Anzeli ani bia bente nkom.
Enu papa ba.
Ani bia ba bente nkom.
Jansi huna fiora.
First na wan ya ma na ye huhu.
That is say ko mo ni nye say instant o wi na e kita say pikin wa we.
No clear.
Ta kwala mo nyi no ba be stop.
Ogini nsuo no.
Masha girl ya hwe na nimu a na nu ama na ne hwene na no se de
beautiful girl.
Kan yomo kama che say
means I still can't.
You picture from see.
I
friend of Leticia.
Leticia.
I am a
papa. Such a young lady. I mean,
and Madam cried, the teacher, one of her teachers, no, because when you my dear papa was in the class, got a topic. And TV was
well, on any mother, but. That notwithstanding no say e wa enye open kakra e man kwada no because go between watch rope
say boy be SHS
Debbie some ladies ni be almost very close to her almost say omo no adi nko omo ya but on make any ebia che say she's under pressure bi ana bibi ha no say or you depressed bi ana bibi on show anyway bi asa na make any your chances bi asa
akola ho
ata de on tompa bo on tom kwan nti ewiase
awe ho sama to so mienu kwaku anu se me wo ha na me ba be ball aye players asika akono afrom na me ko tra fi na me shada fa pepa ni yie na me sa share list ni mu biem na kwaku me hwe mu na say house for player ba ko pekura mame ka basam me ba to me ka wi na so wo space no kasa kwaku
democracy opinion
moderator etuka bibi nche mesema onye ku
makasa mbe ya mi etwa democracy ya mu ye mbe ya mi etwa democracy mu
oya kasa me ka abesi asem se kwaku kasa bi
ya free blaster has ni
house for player ba kokura ni
na nka fa futu
kwaku
me ba me ba choma ni kasa e say no areho na wo mu no ne de we no
me nkama na nsia na
e no me si mi bisa areho no ne de
na o ja areho na onye ma asem no me na my baby story about make mama sama me nkama ni sie wo mama we say so so bona mana say no kwaku me dwen hu din na player ba kokura ni mu a ofri akra house of na league ye bo okrom ha yi hwebe na house da ye da se fifo se de ene enkudin ene modern mu a ene
apo amabo be da
ene team yi second kwaku league na ye bo no house of say na ye timi anya
team be na won na bo wi
yeah, you players are free. Ghana. Aqua Liga. Yeah, not even a goalkeeper. I'm free house of folk. Wait, and a coach, you know, say no. The Ecosun African. Nani and Yahu. Quaku said the Cambo, Sika, so was a place like Italo. I know one day, and then answer. And if I be no GF, a place, Romano. Yes, I should be must be a move. Since one of the Castle of the because of the program. Is it Omazwa over 1 money?
Yes, referee be the max or say, you don't know the money.
And then also a big
Marriott International Bank. I was one Amapino.
Marriott International.
Why pay me? Amapino, no, I pay.
I saw a man for a cassette. CK, and then I want in Yansan, you players. No, may you might get the players say, what or Frelmo. No, it's you from one player, Crafty House of if it is by merit, Crumpa, get to assume you know a league. What you say? It is every when you call it now. Sika Kuno Oriano. When I
Samijan was why you would have made clear free home.
Sika Kuno, the last team of coach here, son of a master player, a coach. Mr. Last team of coach here, a Kotoko. When you are ready, Ghana football and Koso.
main worry is say one selected players from Accra to focus.
Not even one. If they
Oyi 10 players from Accra to folk. Now players need now players are almost one national team 99 for just selecting sake into one select.
Because only 10. Obi ya Liga, right? Ya Liga, ya player baku say. Tabia asa MVP wa dia. Obi any sama. So what you say? Who the league in Pakistan ya jabo. Ya league ba kwa House of Folk to sumi. Let us say there's no single player in the second no so the ho blast has a no single player. The players are somewhere over 30 no single player bet you blast time.
Na wanga za over 30 kwa omuna na mo field on. Over 30 kura
enye ade anya no enye
kwaku time ya die program nyina be 30 minutes man yin kwa person of 20 ade awo ye nenye ade person min kumenya
eye mbram ka
openi ni makosu yanko
eye kasa neji akosu yanko
ni makosu yanko
fa kosu yanko tru je ne kasa
ayi wana mampon wana however
awu ni makosu yanko emo blue ya omututu ya na ye twe esere mfimfin sei na odisi wa no mo foforo sa oni za agro ni bida
me de ton na me che
o de bida nyeto akosu yanko ni atu ayi blue bisa esere e usa esere fifi
medo no
no medo na ne to peche no omo foforo sa na omo nenam so
mo de
akosenko na o chin pe utimi e said wo no nti ye ne to ne ebonyo akosenko wo nyame nti ba akosenko bo manso asore no ofra de no ebi na has body
ye bo PlayStation no gba akosenko
na PlayStation ba Ghana hada we obani ade amayi no kure ni nyame anim na me ba me pese me ka has focus am because nipa bi kura no afa me hotan say me mpa has asem nyese bia me mpa has asem but baby anokre dan de na de ato usi league no da say
in that second
more than second
that's now you only the po enemy 2 points spend
me ba
the league the kwa dan chen opani you can't talk about a Ghana football with that class of folk. You can't do it.
The powerhouse
of African football.
Thank you.
Not even a single player.
Also, my main cousin.
Fani kwa tena bench nyamu se house player back home.
Obani. Yes, kasa.
Eti ye wia cup no ma ye bia ma de obedi second na. Cup bia ni o.
Second we said the waji kwa boss sa.
Na bi said man ya sha se de second yi ho ho anu hinti na mi bi say cup ni.
Obani ye the fifth ni asan ke do second. The fifth.
Team bia mo na for the past 6 matches. Obi esu. Esisi a yesisi wo mo. Eti you are not there by merit.
Pass Spain ebe 11 na Barcelona play anim.
Eti mo Ghana Barcelona.
Kwame.
Semuni.
Na wa wie.
Spain kwa me fa say enye ayi fon kwa na bo.
Enye obani unim araho same wom. Kwame asem o kan nyina so obi ani ba bia.
Yo fa.
Because positions are ya frɛ players are e wokotoko. E de kono. That position no has to for player bia no betime beat kotoko player to that position.
I dey na susu ye. Susu dua ben.
I dey na susu ye.
O mark how the susu ne dey.
Me the permanent marker.
Omo ko World Cup abana. Let's now kano. Akwaje World Cup abana has player bia nko. Omo ko Africa bia ba. Ana dey. What is your yardstick?
Mo players no ko bia no abo Africa da. Players e wo has to focus here. Them say that no sule na call baby no. Was aba na bed na go tete. Ono so go.
Enjo amo Africa no head afraid na.
Asema make no.
Bed na go dey so o dey da me too.
What's so na ote?
Oh yeah, I know who ni.
Yes, o beto kwa sisi.
O boda me rough.
Da me crop up ni nyansa untimento.
Na be bobo ana de be da me too.
Ejina so ya de pa. Kwame.
Nyenye game me say that first. Me game my
asema ka de say.
Oh no.
Ya kan sisi.
Me yo bia.
So ba ben nyansa hu to.
Me sure I how did me make attempt to.
No you sure. Ya de wo say de okay.
Me play game say any partner say be bring. Me I always want to move around. It be a football bia, a volleyball me ball but that minute spa ne say man me pay.
I want ni ba fa.
Me pay me transfer ko sa, me pay sa.
Ele ya bomba e.
Na wa wie.
Me nwie ya.
Ade mo ka sa mun list sa mo ka na.
Ade me was story ntina. O be prove o chen kure mo o shiro e fi obeni. Yeah, asema kwa America ni tempo na so bia no. Ghana Football Association sisi ye wo ho no. Executive committee wo ho. Kotoko ye rep a odi edin e ko press position no. Ewura George Amwako. Ya pam no. Ye so oni kotoko biem.
Asa nyomo
ne. Me ba Blasters Management Committee on a chairman. Me chira de
Sike so no kwa na yi o.
And
na sike tire place.
Sike akoma say de opeso ocha so de kotoko ne ko na kra na. A chese. Yen ho no free obey Blasters go ti. Opani. Ya ka chese onko technical director no de abufuo na ja team nti team bia no ho ye na hi okroma e kumase asante kotoko. What you say? Opani a ene oye Ghana Football Association president awu bu a chire say ono no mom na adwen enye coach na adwen.
Your story say wa anyam na make. Oh, yeah, accusation you first 30 men squad now pen about say CK interference wom.
Interference no.
Ono ka so ka be clear.
The Ghana Football Association penny yera ketokri kwa asem na okay. Openi yera ketokri kwa okay. Obi onim Ghana football history bia nko bisa say onye House of Folk management member pen a. Ni team pa ne House of Folk. Na kakraba ne nsem na okodi eye dreams. Eti na kuma mu pa de. Say ye the House of Folk. Oh me ba ye the House of Folk wo say de kotoko wu ya. Oye house ni obi a onim bom bia ni say
team support on team
ya house ni na asema woken can say it got to a point that the House of Folk team full team no and they represent here in Nigeria
asema nka me can working
House of Folk team no full team ya mfa ya twin ya draw from keeper to number 11
yeah
Jones atuko efio and they do am call
yeah
Satan no mu jiro mo na so say.
Ade say dem na mu. League no mu da second one.
Ene mo pa bo atete ne asimu nyina nchen kakra. O se ntiase.
Ba bo atete da be. Players ya wo from sisi ensemia
coach mu coach Samuel Bodu kwa na de blast asaman sisi ya. Still has of obefro bi kwa nipa wa pe no obefre no.
Can you imagine?
I'm telling you. Mu players see oyo obi obetimi Bob blaster ni bi ya mu keeper no Richard Atel se wan hwan. Enu pok meba enu pok oba be number 4. Keeper number 4.
Mate.
What you say? It is so how ni say best players e wo team no eyi Bob bi omo friend
Razak Abaloya kotoko play no between na bobo. To one friend bi. Razak as at now.
Abaloya ono e kotoko keeper o. So ono e kotoko keeper ono ye friend no. Na hwan na aka.
Ya friend no.
Wala di kotoko keeper ya friend.
Obodi.
Ono ye number 1 keeper say.
Is the Black Stars goalkeeper?
Last match is 2 ebo you on that phone. Ma da we refi. Ana Patrick Razak na okay. Titia no. Nyemu player titia.
Ono meka.
Ona asu kotoko player bi antimi ne no.
Bo be no kotoko players bo ntimi mo bi. Our friend. Kwa guja ye. Di bi wo wa. Nya so obe kotoko asem ti no.
Say kwa mo ye people say gam obet ma
mama. Ye friend Patrick Razak.
Asem we ukra wo church match ba o so be kan say friend blaster players kwa ye nya pass.
Na ye force o say
na me be di ha se nko mo de me no go di sa. Me ba go di ha se nko mo sa ye de.
Agoya se wa kan yi. So ngo di aro. Me ko na se ba ka se me ka chamba se we me di nkuni ma na.
That way you know. Ai. No se na me bana ka se na na mo trawo no.
Ah, you need to wait na me ya. Ono we obi na no to.
Afro Mairo.
Obani story dia sorry na ebe big e dia Ameria si nyina. Na ahwebe disappointment. Unim say nyame Adom August. There was a finest boxing bout between Tyson Fury and Anthony Joshua. They say Kroma said to say Saudi Arabia na kon kwa boss atwede no. Won say we kura belt be 3 we say na we kura back on jump so unify. O me nyina UK phone die mo no UK on akoka say
Saudi no sika wo ho pa.
Oh yes.
No matter the ticket e be mabu afa so
am. For no na yi for na pre na Saudi for no.
Yeah, sika wo.
E yafa we no.
They have money to spend.
Na the omni say Wilder za I American ni otutu blow rough ya Tyson Fury boni. Who said na omo contract no e wo mu say also was a man opportunity no say na first fight ni a draw.
Yeah.
And a second one no Fury ball no ntinka omo prepared bout. Na fe wo say was cement so obo na omo no so ane hu say ne. Na last year na omo yam adwen say nkom be kosa ntokwa no be adwum ho ba bi no. Ena kuruba entimi amaso. Enti say Tyson Fury ne Anthony Joshua no shisha fight ni nyina na wada no so de ne de nam court e wa America say kwan bia so no ne akwa ne nkon ya
ense say oni we go
dani kwa say aha o so nya sa akonya no ne akwa ne ko say me ka say judge bi owo America abruchima mu ahye say e wo say one Tyson Fury ne wada ne ko before the end of September. Meanwhile one Anthony Joshua so ahye fight August o timi nkon August ni nwenza me ko September and want to mean before that time no so and they say it's either say woman ne wada no be kan man ti ase ya adwuma say onwie Anthony Joshua de no
then no be at a later date.
Yes, and son and this also the just one cancel. Wow. Especially when say court na akan we asem this one cancel Anthony Joshua de nti say akwakoye amanfo nche den hunu bia asem no ebe kwakwakosi me say obani sports amanije ho pa wo wi asimu a no say no krewom pa no boxing any UFC
and
America
there be yetimi wiem
boxing yetimi kukumi
the only tie sentina azuma ka che o say ugina amenfo ani nto the judges ne be no so
be your own referee.
Yes and you knock out to prekunu wan say we
bon papa na
yes I dey
yeah
because utimi hwe boxing bi pa you say
akwai because it mean bo mo ja true
I don't care utimi hwe boxing bi pa utimi say akwai dufu nu pa so be hwa 1-1-11 1-1-1
unim say me it got to a time bi na sa na mentiase but me be pair boss ni na me sua mu mraka
oh say enya punch bi e be land bia na e kan land o ti no bia
dan ko win fight da o target o say time bia no uti no se nche mu ha o se wanim o so abodwe o se wapompam kura no bebo e horo na points no bo bi so won mu kuku ko be bo onfe no
but enfe no so no they have a reason why am not enfe no
who di wiki ni pa na wan wiki now for so
how nya point bia so
there be and nya point bia film
what I say it is when Juemu Mrano so de bia beka se esisi why to so to blow abubo
ni first na Ghana for ko be so nyina na sa de
yes
of so ko wine nsa to blow
on the trade and blow no so to na nipa nya block pe no so encounter
asiagu
it so yes say na e bo nsa no ho bo nsa na anka niti na enko ba bia
ba ye tin chede di we so
me weather one Marcus Mandina, Omontoko Bia, and then I talk giddy just also be and so when your point to be because now off guard and corner noble. Now, Kwaku, Yadu. So, Obinian French, you know more. So, you're about your friend and Tiana say, your friend Ababawa.
And 50 days of flu, my dependent on the pump. So, Obi 50 days of flu, my brother, friend and Tia will be go papa.
Fish had you 50 years.
50 days of flu, my babomo.
And 50.
And you know, and I make say, Egina said, I'm
not sure for you, best 60 years old, but we shall come back as a sister.
Any a man way. Well, I'm here Facebook, Romeo, some more 50. I am from say. Sister, answer, auntie. Ana
obi okro kita makura no on person be friend abrewa
ko ni ndi ni ba be ni se
be wuntam so
me so me hu se me ka sa baba wa
yeso ye pese be wuntam
Britain ni ba bia your friend say Naomi Campbell
Naomi Campbell
wanya mfinshi aduonum 50 years we model na
we model
good
model the filling station
na de wo mu ni models ababa wa na nyinsen awo
ni dey enyi say say awo no ahodo
yes
there be all right but say awo ya ahodo bebere wo enti obi ka se munya na sa na ye age ni wo soro sa na ya mo sa mo chire enhwe ebi kwa na oye surrogate oye wan ni bi surrogate artificial insemination so ho omo wasa ne manema no ho but say wanyem wan wa wo dia
dia wo mu an say wawo
no
say eye artificial insemination say vaccatomy o say dia ndie say ye dia wawo
na vaccatomy dey say no be nyawo and dey
mo aba ni
kwa
you
and no person oba ubi mu
vaccatomy omu yi na mu cafe sorry yenyi
Debbie why born po say dey be ya
kama dey enko dey dey bo
sperm ntimi e pachamba
dey bo
kama e almost ana say no here
dey betimi ya ni
oho ade say we say
o sakama ya
ebinim ti twa ho no mo yi abana fie
Maybe no way could you answer some cramai.
No, they walk up and
on the top was a book. I say,
oh, David, this is so deep. No, ready. No, this is so wrong.
Yeah, come be a son was if you hobium. I didn't walk.
What's on so bones were humping Kakraka and
ready, and only bomb visuals will say,
me, see, no. Abrantie your friend Karim Benzema obo Real Madrid
Karim Benzema
5 years ago no
Karim Benzema
5 years ago na France national team no odi tintima wo mpa no say footballers no suba bi wo mo ho a wa hwe ya hu ni ye wonte o mo ase wonim say so mo nua ba ko ni oba da kra ana se ne mpra kra o mo timi twafa ho ne koda bi
obi nua
footballers na o mo colleague on no wo the same way.
When I say kind of players, you can't yes, I did maybe
good. No, so you ban akọ
good.
Ade man nasa.
Good. Karim Benzema. We be we crowd on na nampo ne colleague player. And ne sex video bi. E beto abonti na coach ni susu say I'm suspect say Karim Benzema ne leak here.
Okay.
My pamuni for national team.
Ampa sorry no.
Did you the shams that na I feel no we fit team no for. Na waya je say omo ya brofu du bia omo ya zena racism o ye bibini ti na ya na coach say de asem no ma hwa ma bibia tadin ono so say wo gina ne nan so wo form Madrid wo to atana no rough baabi obegina bia na wo to atana enti coach say de tabo de tonu so no we Karim Benzema on Sambra
nto betimi abasamba bo
Euro ye ombebo ya Euro ye ombebo ya
ina let's City for say $40 million or so
it is number 10 jersey brand be share number 19
40,000 euros
number 19 jersey
bonus
hwana no
Leicester for
so much ayino
FA Cup
na so omne Chelsea san dia pem so bi
we ye say mo musika say omo sign
man Chinese ni won
there be of free
I'm so Korea
Thailand
yes Asia ni
free Thailand na ni dini no dini no ni dini no bona for mo
and me who discover na
team na nkaza ru ane de elopre de nehwe o I'm say 20 na elopre de nehwe na akire na ne ba na ba be fa team
na no team na man se de Karim Benzema obi sina dan for pa
Benzema be ko Euros ni bi
obeko Euros ni bi
oh nice
because a player bia me say ni dini kake o me
Karim Benzema oh you good say waba form pa
waku ababa wa bi ne mpanda down na ja no yes o de kebab o de dry ho de koma ne mpanda de na mana
poison
yeah akwa papa na mawi amakwada ketwa
for years and
what the 10 years ababa wiki ba na makwada
it's like we can't let go of any of you actually enye bibia na ngaza obedi akire zero we anti wa ma yakora akotia faso yi
tiafaso ono so kwa sentence no mkrom dey still a death sentence no
Kelvin Sion de papa no din na ba ho Vijay Shravadan Hampraha. Vijay Shravadan.
Mu Dubai Kwame na ego.
Kwame na din say ye. Opani board. Board na Facebook for no so 80 opa.
Vijay Shravadan Hampraha. That's in the dinner no. Yes.
Hampraha.
We had Shravadan no.
If you are not
Shravan
na ode Hampraha na
Hampraha. But can Hampraha na mano. Yes.
Kwaku
din we ye ne papa ne din ankasa.
Okay.
Yes. That papa na team no be fire no.
You be fire say papa ni we no be fire.
No papa na ankasa we no.
Na oni din na oboy.
We are who pa.
So na flight no.
Very very sad. Very very.
Kwaku sa owo ni so be ye o.
No be na enye.
From stadium hona outside.
Ndi we nenye ya.
Kwaku say transport fare na nya koso ada be koso trotro
for now the bibia sama.
Ya nyanto so.
No. Amonfa.
But what is say petrol ya be say 2 next week.
Ya 2 man.
Sky atonkra. Sky atonkra mama me enkawu sisi awina. O say happy birthday enkoma Oheneba Princess Nana Ama Bonsu of Kofuridia. May God bless and keep you always. From Grace and Janice. There be we get back we ordinary by no say no Janice. We are Janice. With much love to you. Okay. Now from there no Gina Anochi Gina Dewe. Okay. Gina atubi atumuana yefeno so say happy birthday yankoma Cindy Mame Abena Nyakoa Inso of Agri Memorial Senior High School. Wishing you all the best in life. Enjoy your day to the fullest. And then a happy birthday to Jeremy Kofi Inso. Enjoy your day. And amen to all your secret prayers. Not just Omuna. We Ify Raven Nenchen. And then happy birthday Ankoma Prophet Samuel Nana Amwatin, founder of Blessed Hand of God Ministry. Osinyame Unsha Wefi Auntie Rita, Sister Sandra, and our Sister Mary, and all members of number 1 group. Omuna say Omo Ewo show happy birthday.
Abani.
Yay.
Minim say unim condom ho abakosem kakra.
Me pacho Devi.
Yeah. Na hinti na when the condom buy.
Na yare nti eno na na one. Yeah. But later on ebe say ebe prevent unwanted pregnancies so.
Okay.
That's the first time I introduce here HIV.
Yeah, it's
condom buy.
Condom 370 years.
Condom so once na yes.
Abani the first condom one e ba sazi so je ko fatro. Yede odwanre de na eye. Yeah. 370 years old. In the 1600s.
Odwanre de.
Oh yeah. Eno na reusable.
we are
uhuru pacho kwame eni
sese kro bia san ba wutimi ane sa
yeah
we use we are
kwame pacho ron comment na over Facebook a obehu sa condom ya ye ka ho asem
say
ana we
na ya bo anwoma
yes
no the wrong ba na ompra
ada
set it no na Jericho fesu ni mu odem the walls of Jericho then
we're stronger than the
one
we grad there one hwe ya ukwaku hu kra ebetwitwi
benya asem
David emu otro
ade ya na yes odi so we are now the warm milk
abo already na hu den sa no efa emre
yes odi bebo nsu ka
efa emre
ene we nsu se de etie de ahwe ya o be run ebe na o be sa na ache because we
so we dey atinka
because we do obeje nyonyam ni na normal rubber light latest rubber Ukraine eno cry ya say na
I'm for me the first condom e buy ya
kwaku
o dey ato
me ato say on
the Facebook
on be ba bia obenya atinka kakra on say we dey no
atinka o
we dey na bobo so kwaku obenya
unim se time
on na name
unim se condom e buy no
me ba cho the oldest condom no at the Facebook o ti we ti akohewa
ni still akọ so na say ni dia no
me 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 say da koto bi say asoma me ehu mi wie ma ho no hu nyina fotwo
me first
lubricant bi o
me first experience with condom na school and na almost say it me Efa is 34 bucket yes it's the kojina abo na no na you boost na dey expand this empire but yes say lift
ba unyi ya obepa bi na hu say yezu
yes say lift any so na ta na
empire say yenyini ya yenya ya de amfiri mu yi no timi na na kopia bi so won say wo mtem ko no ahwi agu oguru mu afa
obi o ha o te China kasa
Debbie.
Who ne ntro out me with it.
Yeah.
I swear say o te China kasa but China ntro we me de tro pe bohu ade kro. Bohu asem kro.
And they say a sign.
Obehu ba untimi nka.
And they sign.
China ntro.
But tell a sign.
Oh ana.
It be o de ejeko.
O che say
mahu sa.
Mahu sa you know person de ban mahu. And they very simple. We are happen when say they patch mahu.
Ajeko ade not so here.
And they mahu sa you know. Oh, say na no obi de send me and I'm so ready. Yeah, someone can no aba hey Kwame cause Osha say what country on say
any me tia me na china
sorry ko
open kokwa ya totumpa
kokwa ya tutu de mani jompa
mani bo kokwa ya tutu bi so na me ron e giko pacho fato why kokwa ya tutu akono ye pa
okay
kokwa ya tutu misi aje wupi kwa be ba no ron commentary no
China ron wade China ron sa no wako
oje ko wade ya na chanudu
because na try say
yeah say wow refresh answer
kokon on vanto
kokon
no okay ene
China for dey no kwa so aba
montum boase China dey da we da hodada o fun na gili kokon no eba no ena ye kan mo say imboost herbal mixture no
police ni na duro
ene ye friend police na duro na papa ene be ma immune system no atimi agina brane na akwantia yare bia ebeba o system no emu na ni nyina emu no yare bia hinta onipadua mu kura na eno atimi san akopra prechiri na je say why the 2x ni na bibia kama enei wodo ani chemu Kingswalk Ecus Pharmacy Wudama Pharmacy Travel Judah Pharmacy afi all tenated and dependable herbal shops across the country and a health alert shop who now be nyabi afi ubo room e Little George Health Shop ye whatever community 5 also ubenya bi e wo hono opo dodo anu afre 0243 115 948 and afi 0246 208 496 na dodo bia onye bia no onsa etimi aka afi Royal Drinks also you go like am we drink for Casa Preco Company Limited, an ISO certified company. Akofadia by Umwa Soto Royal Apple, Royal Cola, Royal Orange, Royal Cocktail, and no any the perfect flavors now here in Timansanka there. Ya me moon chile na obogu bo zampa adieno emuye pa 2 cities 50 pesos. Na wajibako available time baby. The door pan of 0262 351 251 afi 0272 133 373 na yeko enimu no ye de asda Emma Gold TV or say the final stretch of the football league with its fierce rivalry and devastating heartbreak is finally here. Ninjas will stay connected on Gold TV and enjoy a captivating moment on La Liga, Serie A, Afe Premier League, and make sure you stand by your team until the very end. This is football worth watching and you can't afford to miss it. Connected from as low as 48 Ghana cedis to our using my Gold TV app. Now I'll witness the thrilling finale of a first of its kind football this May. Gold TV, love it. Oh, it's got to Sunani. Jesus!
I didn't cut here.
Oh, I dear for. If I chop on Facebook, oh no. This is not good. This is not good.
So
this is not good.
What? O papa ba no
ai oborino
na de na obetina be difu
borifita no o town onko
oba na da onko bi
o don bom kwaje o mani sa o mo ba
2-3 years oba no nko e
o do ko ba we o sa ba na se ya
o be di makuma na hwehwe no
o ya yan trust we dem paper cho muntie na yan nyina yan hye no so Benetton Music Group and Afe Magdan Group of Companies at the Angloga Junction. The 1 year anniversary virtual concert break Ghana for Patrol date no the 22nd of May 2021. Na me patrol 6 p.m. sharp and adumedino chassis. Venue no Bayview Village. Atomic Junction. Bra, never experience history with 3 different stages and 1 extraordinary performer. The Vanguard. We know just renditions out our own taping of your favorite songs will be performed on Saturday the 22nd of May by Vanguard himself, Stone Boy. Now for limited VIP experience, batch of phrase 0545 477 777. Now you for reservations. You can also log on to www.ticketmiller.com. Now we're streaming live at 30 CDs only. This show is sponsored by Adom TV, Joy Prime, Joy FM, Hits FM, and Adom FM. All COVID-19 protocols will be observed. Medical catch that Abia no real few and they so bedi and more there. As I say, a royal aroma fortified rice and no any papa na abano. It's I say and no any yede a year and you and answer who ashishimu. Added nutrients say iron, zinc, vitamin B3, B6, B9, and B12. Nina royal aroma fortified rice imo. It is obedi a moi and near mokeke di moi ya fortified kama. No nutrients we na be a woman. Every 7 of royal aroma fortified rice be an amount at least 15% of your daily requirement of these nutrients. Not just a baby boy yipa. More job and being a norm, Korean not a norm. Baby, not more job. What I'm saying. can trust say moye de osoya kasasa metintin bia opebia. We are nowhere to for only the first minute of your call. The rest is absolutely free. In addition, enjoy 50 MB of data to browse for free as well. When you just dial star 550 hash to subscribe to MTN free after 1 now. And stay connected because we are good together. Terms and conditions apply. MTN, everywhere you go. Greetings, Jerry. Please, today is my sister's birthday. She is Gifty Abna Jehu. Now Mrs. Gifty Japan, aka Abna Baby. She's in Germany. Today is her 50th birthday. May her sweet smiles never depart from her. We fear Asantua Mante Pimpon and Cheng, aka Mother. And now also Eto Sankre. Please wish Dr. Tracy Yankee of Britannia Medical Center, Tema, a happy birthday for me. From Squad F and the whole family. And a happy birthday also going out to Miss Gifty Kofi of Birth and Death Registry, Samra Boy, from your sister, Mrs. Chum. Baby, not more jump. Baby, not more jump. Open Gangnam Style. Jerry, today is my husband's birthday. His name is Edwin Kwesi Mensa Ahen. Wishing him a happy birthday. Open Gangnam Style. May God bless him. All right, so if you know so now, if you share the hobby na, you find no entraso and call your name. Hello, Jerry. Please wish my lovely niece, Miss Hilda Ofusua Kofi, aka Mabna of Northampton in the UK, a happy birthday. May the one who created heaven and the earth shower his blessings upon her. And may she be a blessing to the family in Jesus' name. May her birthday bring peace, joy, and happiness into her life. And this one's coming from Deacon Frederick Nana Asante of Mount Zion Church of Pentecost in Northampton, England. And now we also say happy birthday. And come Edwina Ayikai Saki. May the good Lord bless you and protect and guide you. And may you live to see your great-grandchildren from your father, Henry Ajisa Saki and Nicholas Akwe Annan. Happy birthday once again. Nico. Baby, not more joy. Happy birthday, and my sister Constance. We are nurse at Lima Hospital, and happens to be the wife of Mr. Kuju Anane Frimpong. May the good Lord bless you abundantly from the family. And the message here says, we love you so much. Although the nti unyan say ya na chese sa na bibia aye kama. We the poor man kasa. I say you are like an angel. You are like an angel because you've touched the life of every person you've met. You deserve the best and the most special birthday so that you can touch lives of thousands of 1,000 more people. Happy birthday to you. Hey. From Oheneba Kwame Danso Jr., MPP organizer, was South Korea, to Esther O'Day of South Korea. And also a happy birthday, Miss Gifty Kofi, birth and death registry, Samra boy, from your sister, Mrs. Chum. Africa say we my dada. Eh? Now I say mommy ruin. More guys and make us remember. I say greetings, my brother. Kindly wish Mrs. Gloria Abina Odum, wife of Mr. Ransford Odum of NCA head office, Accra, a happy blessed birthday. Tell her we love her so much. From Mr. and Mrs. Damte Lincoln, Kofridia. I hope say be cool.
Open Gangnam Style.
Okay, so to another one, and also say happy birthday wish and come Mrs. Rose Ofosuhima Dako, coordinator for the National Inclusive Education Program at the Ghana Education Service headquarters. From the husband, Dr. Kwame Asamoah Deborah, and their kids. The message here says, may God grant you more grace. Aka mienubina yemfa enum na yenko yenim.
Open Gangnam Style.
Happy birthday Kesepa Enkoma Shanshan Bobo Ewo Lands Commission. Woman we or a fantastic woman pa. Heti mame. Shanshan Bobo. Happy birthday to you. Nyame Osha. No yokes here.
Open Gangnam Style. Sexy lady.
Good evening, Papa. Please help me wish my mom a belated birthday wish. I wish her more years to come. And she happens to be Mrs. Janet Buama from her beloved daughter Stella Oklu, aka Lady Bash of Lashibi. Abusha yaba so na yakwe ni mugusu awutie Adom 106.3 FM, of course Ghana's #1 radio station. A quick one. When we're back, there's more for you to enjoy.
When we send your police in your draw, Imbusaba Mesa Abama Huadeng.
Refuse to grow, and young offense Wabek.
And what day immune system or Yankopon, and you're ready for Yadmusa Moya Hubano, and Nasa Wunum Imbusaba Mesa, a Peja immune system Nabribia, Yarientimu. Sasa dear, a man for the Dronwa, Nedi Imbusaba Mesa, Dronwa dance say, and Yarwa who ran Nipa and Yina Etimi Banaso, and in Yarwa Cassian Kaya Wutini D and a honka. No, Yamwa suing no, a boy who buy every home. And now Pa, Omuan Yarwana Dada, no monum Doctor Enrono, and num Imbusaba Mesanoa, and Momo who are deep in tea. Ya Omuntim Pose, Yaria Esomo, Imbusaba Mesa, a walk Kaisi, and you may move Bia Yato Enro, at to form friend 0246 20 8496. FDA, Ashisha said, Jadian Kratui Maja to Musay.
It's time to believe in you. We are changing, so should you. If you're dreaming, don't be afraid. And in the valleys, keep your head up high. Dare to dream with Puma drinks. Puma, yeah. Believe it, you can achieve. Puma, oh yeah. Clap your hands for the whole new vibe. Make we set the place on fire. Oh yeah, come alive. Puma drinks, a whole new vibe. Another quality product from Casa Precon.
This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
Ɔsɛe, minia. Ada na ra hosa. Ada na ha.
Kwame, me ne me busia for amane hunu kɛseɛ mu. Me bank di me hwamo bio. Sisia na wɔka kyerɛ me sɛ, wo ma me busia me pɛdi eri yɛn adwuma no. Bank kan ne so ejinsu ho a ɛyɛ twa me ne bo.
Nka wasa wo ka we kyerɛ me dadaada. Ma me come for Societe General Ghana ma o. Saa busia we, wo bete no te sema pɛ SG Ghana Bank nkunya. Na ma me ne ya etumi ahwɛ mo free school fees ho nsɛm. Asan ye bie ankasa adwuma kakra yi. Wa ye yɛn sikasɛm ho ahotoso ɛwɔ ho hi nyamre.
No crap.
Sɛ busia na ho hia de a, ɛne SG Ghana Bank. Bribia wo ma me si ho ɛgya fam kra. Ɛsan ma me bra me de betua na ma me ho ahenhan me. Etumi pokodu abosu me aduosia. Minia, wo fata bank a wo betumi agye die na wo do ho ato so. De bɛma waso no adwo wo. Societe General Ghana, ɛne de ɛyɛ paa wa setene mu ama ne ho nyinaa mu. De ma bosia ɛyɛ paa na ɛho si mu so wɔ fam kra. Kɔyɛ nkra bate duana yɛ wɔ man yi mu bia mu. Ɔgye wo si kasam ho moa. Societe General Ghana, daakye ne yɛ wankasa. Santo aboy bebe wie wɔ kuta wo nsa bosom ne de ɛtɔ so dunsia. Afimpim yɛ ne aduonu baako.
You've been preparing for it, the final stretch of the football season. With it comes fierce rivalry,
the most eagerly awaited Manchester derby,
devastating heartbreak,
he didn't get the goal there,
and historic victories. But whatever comes our way, we stand for our teams until the very end. This is football worth watching. You can't afford to miss it. Get GoTV and witness the thrilling finale of a first-of-its-kind football season this May. GoTV, love it.
Malcolm Shapo, Ojara Yeli Hokome Pekbe, Bianele, Egbe Shahefe, Nijem Mofia Moyojara Yanukwale, Nibi Feni Otaole. Obana Yejeng, Yajeswa Wachojin Srotwe, Shia Nibi, Batashi Nibi, Chumlin Sain, Shia Samo Nibi, Ni Homo Nibi, Ni Srotwe, Kaye Samo Nibi, Shapo Jara Yeli Emojoban Ye Melko, Shikai Make, Mlaike Akboy, Yenifi Moy, Ahefen Yejeng, Melkom, Wegana Shops.
Promotion! Every 17th May, Equasi 29th May, Giant Tech Limited, and free cleaning, and my LG products removed. And to sell LG refrigerators, LG air conditioners, and LG washing machines. For bro, you be cleaning them free. Shusha Giant Tech Limited, and one grind. Spintex Road, you will Oka de Kwechipe. And our friend was 0550 780 779. And our toll free, it was 0800 515 515. And Shusha Kakra Giant Tech Limited, care and delight.
Charlie, with Betboro Ghana, everything not double. Betboro Ghana is giving all our new customers we sign up 100% cashback in free bets up to 400 CDs. This means whether you spend 1 CD or 100 CDs in bets, we give you that same amount back to make more bets and increase your chances of winning big. So visit our website, betboro.com.gh. Sign up and enjoy this amazing offer today. Betboro Ghana, be a player, not a viewer. Please gamble responsibly for over 18s and above only.
Umami nyapanua ofumegiano no. Unya bemanua de bia ojina fonso no. Hello, I'm Rose here. Wo fase no ochiri bibia. Da bi o mempe, we de michi. Watamfo no a, wo ni no adwuma mu a, de bia ono no mu Coca-Cola katwa. Yeni na yeni mobisa, nenso omuni wa ne duane di asesa. En Kenya bra ye kabom e di Coca-Cola eji yeni. FDAG edwade nkrato yatu.
Ofie Kwanso with the man Jerry Justice on Adom 106.3 FM. Oh yeah. If you put your body on me, I put my money on you. I put the dollar on you.
This is Adom FM and this is Jerry Justice.
If you put your body on me, then I put my money on you. I put my dollar on you, girl.
Adom FM.
Oh girl, you looking so amazing. For you, I think I'm going crazy. Oh girl, your body's so amazing. And I don't wanna leave your side. If you put your body on me, I put my money on you. I put the dollar on you, girl. If you put your body on me, I put my money on you. I put the dollar on you, girl. I go make you see that. yo. I go show you money, money, money. When it's time, it's the sun. My car today outside. I go show you money, money, money. Oh girl, you looking so amazing. For you, I think I'm going crazy. Oh girl, your body's so amazing. I don't want to leave your side. Put your body on me. I put my money on you. Put the dollar on you, girl.
Let's go. Ofie Kwanso. With the me and Jerry Justice on Adom 106.3
And the party is around to say, come on. We are Tamia. Yeah. Sister Sandy be a guy, so I can say. See what I see the I say, it's filler time, baby. Yeah. I see Timmy Jagunia creating. I'm saying, fantastic, yeah. Sister Sandy be a guy.
I'm a woman, so I can't.
Who boom around so?
Okay, fella. My shaman, so I need to query me.
Okay.
My main shepherd.
Well, when you're say this,
but Jay, you know something?
Yeah, tell me something.
Now, you know, I can switch anytime, you know what I'm saying? Like,
yeah, I feel you.
I told you we're going to do the English Wednesdays. But Jay, we can do it anytime.
Yeah.
You feel me?
Yeah.
Cause Jesus said you man the doors. And
I want you to tell my people something. You know, like
say something.
Something.
Yeah.
Yeah. So tell them something. When they send us messages, I mean, if it has to do with some dedication, whether it's a simple shout out or a birthday wish or whatever. Once they send them through once, it's okay. I mean, multiple messaging, man, it's off, man. It's what? It's not cool.
Say what?
Just one message, one person can send it like 5-6 times. I mean, come on, man.
Yo, you don't do
that. Once you send it in once, it's okay. We see, we will do it.
You gotta slow for us. You really gotta slow.
How can one person be sending the same message?
Nah,
I mean,
you can't
just look at this one. Just look at this one. It's the same message. It's
like a quick reminder. Like Jay, you gotta read it. So you just read it for the person. Just
you don't do that.
I know you the J style. Just do the J style for him.
Okay.
Yeah, man.
So let me just flip this one in.
Straight the J style. Do it, man.
So you see, he started even from morning up to evening.
So also I get this anchor also the woo.
No, come on, no. If I am here, you bring it in. I mean, it's cool.
Nah,
but
you don't like opening messages.
All right, so
open messages.
Today is my birthday.
Yeah, man.
So please wish me on Ofie Kwanso.
But Jay, why are you doing that? Just mention the name. Why are you doing that?
I'm reading the whole thing.
Nah, just get the name. Just get the name.
Peter Nyako of Tema.
Jay, this ain't the J style. You know what I'm saying?
Come on, man. I'm done with this.
This ain't the J style.
I'm done with this. See,
you just got to mention the name.
This one just came in once. I mean, cool. I mean, see.
Just once.
It says, Masa, happy birthday, though belated, to our bundle of joy.
Yeah.
Sergio, Nana, Kofi,
straight up.
Benin, Pipra, Ofie, Sa.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
It's a blessing from God. and we are grateful. And this one is coming in from Mr. Sydney Ofie Sir and their wife Sarah Ofie Sir. Come on, you know what I'm saying?
It's done.
Yeah.
I was giving you the Komura, you know what I'm saying?
No, the call, if I call again, I'll pim.
Now, Jay, what do you mean?
Tell me something.
And then person me ada Jay can't send me TF4.
Okay, TF4 to you.
In fact, me koye bisanyo mu krum. Na enye numja. Jay ma me phone fili wo.
So
baby a me drew bia.
Me blessings ni fi ma me phone ho pa.
Na obi su hu me a. Oyena wuni ano like you know and they always give me messages. Meaning say I wish be sanyoma. O sha obi hu asema making. Me bo pa, omo kan me bo. And I know be bisanyo.
I met this woman, your friend Becky.
Okay.
Becky. Nadam Fone Prophet Sefas Kwame Pega Tamaklu. Breaking Yoke Ministry.
Okay.
And then I met the woman who say, hey, oh, the way I meet you, not the way I meet Pewas.
Now, I say, baby, I'm a copy. I'm a minister.
Yamisha.
Jay. I am not me ba me come back. With you for any numja. I am the same edition in your bemanin cry. Send your way over who say, a Jumana or general. Simple say fear for and can. I want to so for you.
If you the any candy,
there be a holiday. Yeah, talk for now. Be I talk for the noon. It's a number some man who say, will be I say, what I say, because my phone, the way the woman said it, and you know, beside you, Jimmy Kakwasa Babe Prem. So when beside your man movie, feeling the Panama horse, Jerry Justice. And then the joy they used to say, I need general mother canobra. I am not many at it. Now I was saying, son, say, a Jumano, a Jew, there be I wouldn't say,
sure.
But we shank for say, Nasa or Moka say, oh, me feel me, yes, not a show, cry, yes, you crash and say, never crash and a bread war. Now, a tear
crash out the back.
Hey, Brown, I'm feeling well, hey, not feeling near me feeling. We'll be feeling war. Now I can't say feeling.
Sister Son be a guy.
And also me, man, also media.
There we go.
I just ready move by you know. What's what feeling, Jerry?
Why, Nina?
What I say about it's your phone who say, now my man cousin and saying who says I mean Shadamba. Nay, no consent, pan. It's in better me true.
And my man consent is so cheap. Yes, I will be
a tea for Mamma Michelle. Some of them cry about media bunch, Sunni. Jerry, are starting new show.
Sure.
I was a pay extra Saturdays, 8 p.m.
Sure.
Me, I'm a side besanyum.
Call.
Me sound so ya ho sepe anopa. And I me ba him achi me nkoi. Mitna mu a. Enti atoda na yekoye shoot bia. Na ene radio time no. Ababa be shia. Especially Thursday, Friday, etwa bisanyo mo abonten. Eti Mr. Mo say we obi a ye listen of fella. Now one time sisters oh ye me anam ka odi jai.
Enko bi.
Enko odi jina ma me we jina. Let's not fella. Now one time to make campacho
that's the reason.
Mr. Mo Jumane Dawson. Back phone to me na me so me ni aketwa say o meden. Obesi my name to odona mo de mame no madaroma maame boatema ba fancy do. Yeah mo fasa odona
President of the Brothers and Sisters Association.
Yeah mo fa ensum te man me nka eyese me ni ho me wo ba bi ye adwuma from my TV for no.
Yeah.
E ho so na me free number ready. It mejai. So that's why I'm saying we got to speak English, you know what I'm saying? So yesterday I was telling you about Eno Baroni.
Yes.
Song. Do you have it for me? Just give me a little.
No.
I feel like bouncing to it. You don't?
I'm not sure. I have it personally, but I'm not sure of this.
Sorry, I come from Sanenium Dionim so be.
Oh yeah, I know. That's what I'm saying. I have it personally, but I don't know if it's here.
You know, what I say radio they will be a more jari or trust so on the bill city. I don't mobile. Next and nay Eno Baroni and the Abeni Asamna kan Sabeje. Na Jerry, when you say you could be a circle or maybe catch on nano, Yachini Fakro. Because you say Tio, remember one na mutie me munti asem ni young girl uti bi buna hafu wahia abemu a social media so wase brakra besra me
na onso atra
kan oba meji hotel na ababa wa wo so watenam 8 hours webono e ban kan sabi o be wo ho akọ e na oban no boy no kọtọ aduro e wo pharmacy wo cycle ha o wadi begina so Sao de ma girl ne die no chicha no. Oh chicha girl ne se nantwinam. Circle here ya hotel bi o circle here ya asem na making.
Na almost say almost per CCTV but
CCTV ga na mo chi no.
No so munya bi from the hotel.
Just say edro no koton na da ho. O say pharmacy bi prescription. So ho no mo hu say okay otowa ha. E na mo koi na mo say asemesi na e mo wan how a pharmacy need to me trace unless they keep records of.
Yeah, they should.
Okay. I was wondering how
the particular drone or better yes.
Oh, but wait, Jay. Tani pattern ni raho na do bi atopara.
So 10 in there be investigate 10 in there and they will get to that one. You know what I'm saying?
Hey. Yeah, you know what I said. I'm the sister I'm before you. I do with the hokre. Na, ya so we do pharmacy ho no. Omo bisa na boy no kwala ne hopo. And no chim say Nigeria ni bi. E beto edro dey say. Omo ko tracy call pab ho. Ekuhu ko na say ye che boy no. Afi de ono a confess na papa na omo chi no hotel run 77 nyame aton safre no. I think say oye panyi 70s in terms of the two mu no. Say went me and sustain or be fie belina by say oyare. They are almost catch me say oyare, but me who is any age near the neko two muno.
Yeah.
And also so come on. Now boy nankasa agiatum akano crest say pa. Na girl no so ba no so sending a down for be voice note. Inti no na I'm so make kan bu me who say pa.
Okay.
Na okoto edru ha say. Now listen, Jay, boys na abanenye so obi say. Omo ankasa say omania bri pesika. Enra na metie woni obade so kobi sa bense buo. There is no way I will be or ha say. Even ya adwuma Monday to Sunday.
So ko biem na.
Hey, wo so ko biem. We dey wan kan hye me.
Wo
so ko buo.
I am in kasa bebre na me hwe yi na am say o da bi. O dey later because na ka me pe tiara ba no ba ko ne ade about
we okra mu say later
bi wom starting price no kra no jo
went me
and na form say
etu de maba wa no ya omunya abotre what I say
ya fast dama buda phone yan
omunya abotre because Jay so who go social media osebra waba ya chicha oyonko be hard working asa mo ani mra adwuma wate kakran Jay ma me nko me ko bisanyom
yo de aka no ochna ye beto aso it's check out time already
na Jay nko me babo ni
ye babo is ready ya fast that can say my Vodafone Pacho and the energy from Korean name were boy and my yetimi make here art and music they push here signs and my overcome here obstacles I hold one in the and no the technology can one a boy my yetimi BBA pese bia was it name we hear munchi chimbi called www.vodafone.com/together we can Vodafone together we can I feel so shan so say bibia ni a ene you know ye wo mo asoto fortune rice eno na emo a unya bi na udi a ensuo kitua bi pe na unya ensuo kitua bi pe ebeben ebe correct kama pa dia ma ye wo ye fortune classic eno ye green I feel fortune delight ene orange ene fortune delicious ene red pack no the opibia no ma saka fortune rice always on point just like mom. I was your friend Jerry Justice. We show me on watch channel. Now what's your channel? It's as we are 70 pounds. Thanks so much for your time with us. I do have a great evening. We out of here.
Kwame, hey,